Howdy everyone, JNL cruising. Come walking in, we're in room 1561 at the Nugget. Come walking in, got a nice big window, good big huge closet, big closet. There's the safe down there, got plenty of storage space. Got a fridge, not much of a countertop here. Big TV. I guess that's a door to somebody else's room. It's locked now, so, and then we got our window. The only issue with the window in the room is we are above the atrium. A nice stress. A little end table here. You got little outlets right there. And a nice king size bed. Got a couch, coffee table. Only problem, well, not really a problem, but very, for you excitable people out there, there is no privacy in here when you want to take a bath or a shower. This is glass. You have to come over here, a little stool. Well, sit down so you can do your makeup. There's your cabinet. Here's the toilet. Very nice. Very nice. Glass is frosted, so you do get some privacy. Shower. Nice big shower. You got 2 shower heads. You got your soaps, your shampoos, conditioners, both sides. So you can take 2 showers. Nice big huge tub here. So possibly jetted, possibly. Nice chandelier. And you gotta make sure you're walking between here and here, because I've already almost walked into here. Alright, that's a room tour for 1561 here at the Wendover Nugget. Hope you enjoy. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thumbs up, everyone.